Hello, my name is Siddanna and I'm a promoter of Technovision Energy Pvt. We are in the business of power electronics, and as the time passed, we just recognized that whatever target we have set is far more beyond the capacity of the team members. And we again sat with them and understood that somewhere there is a lack of self-esteem or maybe self-belief in them that they can grow 2x. So then we happened to come across this company that is Conscious, promoted by Nilima, and we engaged our team with her for a very focused approach of improving their overall mental well-being. And the engagement was for almost 5 weeks per person, and it was personalized. During this 5 weeks of interaction with Nilima, my team members happened to unlock their capacity, and they could open up very well with her, and they spoke their insecurities and problems for which they are unable to perform perform at the workplace as well as in their lives. So this entire engagement happened in such a way that by the end of it, when I started interacting with my team members, I could only realize they are much relaxed right now, and they can engage with our thought process, the organization's thought process very well, and they are aligned to the growth trajectory that we have set, and they are ready to put efforts in the way that organization is demanding from them. As a result of which, they can go to the right customers, they can think about the right product, they can think about the right technology, and they can think about the other people in the organizations. Basically, they are capable of empathizing very well right now. So this way of staying relaxed and performing has given them enough room so that they can focus on their overall growth. So I can only say thanks to Nilima, where she could personally get engaged with those team members and understand their thought process and the mental blocks, help them release these mental blocks such that they can come forward and think, they can come forward with a thought process that yes, even they can do it. I'm very thankful to Nilima and her team and their analysis, in which they submitted us organization related what was the status of each team member before they got engaged into this program, and what is the change after the program. So this gives me overall thinking as to how me as an organization leader has to deal with them, and what are those activities that I can focus on them so that they can grow, perform better, and conduct themselves as a responsible citizen. Thank you.